This is what happens when the app is launched the first time, and you accept the concept and all the other limitations typical of any online resource. When you click there, it expands to reveal the different aspects, and you can read and close it. You can scroll it as well, up and down, up to 6 modules of learning. You go into here, and you can understand what the hepatitis B serology stands for. When you click on there, it takes you to various scenarios. Here is an example of one of these scenarios, which you can easily understand based on any result outcomes. And then there you have the fibrosis calculator. Let's imagine your age is 65. That result tells you it's 50. And here you have 40, for example, imagining. And then on the platelet count, you have 170 or so. You say calculate, gives you an outcome there and tells you what it means. And there it is. Then you go on here on deciding whether or not the patient should be on hepatitis B treatment. You can go that way, and your answers will lead you to what you should do next, and so on and so forth. Obviously, there it is, and it takes you there, and in the background of kidney disease or not, then treatment is decided for you, and so on. Here it ends with a quiz, which you can click there and have a look and go on to see what it is and answer the questions. If you get it wrong, then it tells you the correct answer. If you get the right answer, it gives you a mark, and you can get it at the end, and what score you get. Come back here, and you can see where you've a lot of information about what the app stands for and what you can benefit from by going into it. And also close over here, where you can share to your colleagues and friends. You can close them that way. Thank you very much, and I hope you will engage with the contents and be able to share this to your friends and see how it benefits a lot of people out there. Thank you very much.